Good morning, remote learners. This is Dr. Shivers. I'm here for your morning announcements. Today is Friday, September the 25th. We want to give a huge cheer for finishing another week of remote learning. Students and scholars, please look to those adults around you, your family members, your grandparents, your educational advocates, your sidekicks, your caregivers, and just let them know how grateful we are for the work that they're putting in to support you in this journey. Adults that are around, we are so thankful to have your support, and we couldn't be doing this without you. Today is a day that you'll see an art recording posted on Canvas. I can't wait to see your creativity. We will also share some Padlet links. These are a program to showcase some of your art that is connected to Canvas. So be looking for that and do some great work in your special of art today. I want to share about a book challenge. This week you've been hearing me share about some of my favorite books. If you'd let me, I wanted to share from a new book. This one is called Sophie Valdez, Future Prez. It's by an author that's named Andrea Beatty, and I have to share, she has a series of books, and all of her students that she features are from grade 2 in Miss Lila Greer's class. You might have seen Iggy Peck, the future architect, and you might have seen Ida Twist, the future scientist. They've got a great rhyme. So these are books that are called the questionnaires. It's like a whole chapter book and some creative ways to showcase some great learning. So there's a whole series, and then there's the workbooks that are included too. So some really great stuff for you to be able to check out from a really great author, Andrea Beatty. But one page that I wanted to share from the book that was Sophia Valdez, Future Prez. This is when she's about to make a big change for her community after encountering a problem. And she says, and that was the moment when Sophia first knew being brave means doing the thing you must do. Though your heart cracks with fear, though you're just in grade 2, you got to move forward and you got to be able to share. So it was a really great opportunity for Sophia to step up, and we know you are all stepping up in really big ways. So just wanted to share that book with you to be able to check out. And with the book challenge, we want to ask you to be able to share the books that you're reading with us. So this is a QR code. You can take a picture of that and pause this video to get that if you need it. This is also the longer link that you can sign in. And there's an email that was sent to your families yesterday, or on Wednesday, sorry, to be able to get that. And we'll put it on Facebook as well. But we want to see how long it takes for us to reach 50,000 books, to reach 100,000 books. We'll get some prizes and some drawings and some incentives. So let us know any book you read, your family reads, any of your teachers that are reading. We want to promote a culture of literacy. So we want everyone to be reading. So this is where we'll log our books for the fall, and we'll see how quick we can get to a huge number of books that we read together as a remote learning team. So reach out if you have any questions. I'll be logging a lot of my books that we've been reading together at our family. So just know that we want you to put on as many as you can, okay? To wrap up our work with the zones of regulation, we want to share just this turtle here. Turtle had to accept his feelings. He had to relax for a moment like he does. He had to think about what you can do and then do something that could help. So these are just a few other steps for making some plans with zones of regulation. And we hope that you remember that life is 10% what happens to us and about 90% how we react to it. That's a quote by an author named Charles Swindoll. We hope that you're reacting in really positive ways and celebrating the weekend that's coming up. Thanks for all your great work this week. Keep it up.